Ladies and gentlemen, the 2010 Presidential Derby Race. All four runners jump away as one horse. Yellow Fever fast to begin. Orange Check shows early speed too. Red Mustache third and Greenberry settles in last. Nearing the far turn, Yellow Fever and Orange Check keep on matching strides together. Red Mustache remains in third and Greenberry still running at the tail of the field, but now trying to get closer. Four of them now on a corner. 3 and 50 to travel. Red Mustache used the rail to save ground, but Orange Check still in contention with Yellow Fever alongside. Greenberry coming from behind, doing it from last to first just in the nick of time. Greenberry wins the race.
Sulong Gibo!
Galing ni Gibo!
Panalo si Gibo!
Dapat Gibo!
Dapat Gibo!
Dapat Gibo!